Alright guys, welcome back to the channel today. So I want to show you fertilizer I'm using right now. Is Alaska More Bloom. This is 0-10-10. So nitrogen, calcium, nitrogen is 0, calcium and phosphorus is 10 and 10. This is what I'm using here. So I'm fertilizing my strawberry plants. Just wanted to show this. My strawberry plants, these are beautiful strawberries. Forgot the name of it off the bat, but it starts with an A. I want you to see they're all flowering, and I do have some runners. Watch this, check this runners out. I ran it down in here, but look how nice they are. This strawberry is doing good. So my other videos, I planted strawberries in containers. They're looking pretty good. I just want to show you this back strawberry, guys. Bear with me here as I walk to the back. But look how big this plant is. Has plenty of leaves. And then if you look down here, I got strawberry farming. Pretty good. It's having a hard time in the summer though, although I'm showing my other plants up here. So these are having a little hard time. But I've been fertilizing them with that fertilizer. Sorry, here's the other strawberry down here. It's nice and green. Alright, so check out my video on these planting these strawberries in containers. And I also was putting yeast fertilizer on these guys. They were doing pretty well. And then I saw the flowers, and I was just cooling down here in Hawaii. I was like, let me try and fertilize with something else. So I tried this More Bloom. So what I'm doing is I'm just following their instructions. 2 tablespoons per gallon of water right here, and it's doing very well. All right, guys, you like that? And also, as you go to my tower, I've got my lettuce out here growing. All right, I'm using this for my lettuce, and I'm doing about the same mixture, 2 tablespoons per gallon of water. So far, so good. And I fertilized my hot pepper trees. I want you to show them. I did pick a lot of peppers off these trees, and I want to show them how nice they are. A lot of flowers, a lot of peppers. Look here. And this is the tree. So I've been giving peppers away to my coworkers and making some Hawaiian chili pepper water. I want to show you how much peppers are actually on there, all the flowers. Some more. This is how big this tree is. It's huge. It's like maybe 5 feet tall and about 5 feet wide. All I did to do this thing was to make it grow good was give it some of that Alaska Bloom fertilizer, and they're doing pretty well. All right, here's another pepper tree. I put Alaska Bloom. It's a separate tree. It's down in a container, so it works really good for containers, guys. It is growing. I did pick up all the peppers off this tree. I'm gonna have a couple small ones on here. This right here. Now look at this tree, it's flowering also. And then there's some of the red peppers down here. Alright, you guys like this video, hit the subscribe button, like button, share with your friends. I like you guys. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. You have a good day. And give you some peppers.